So, first trade is profitable one, and yep, that's it. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I'm going to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you are ready to know this, let's watch this video. Let's start with your USD. According to this chart, we're now staying on the first moving average. We tried to break through the resistance line zone, but we failed to do this and we received a strong pullback reaction. Now we're changing our investment to $100. And we are trying to open the sell position because, as you can see, price has already broken through the first moving average. Now we have broken through the second one, and now we're highly likely to continue dropping more and more towards the middle line of the Donchian Channel. And if we succeed to break through it also, then we will drop towards the bottom line of the Donchian Channel. So for now, everything is looking really good. Sellers are prevailing over the buyers, and we have no reasons to start being nervous. Everything is really fine. So, first trade is profitable one, and as you can see, we have $243 on the account right now. This is really good. Okay, let's open Euro GPI, and according to this chart, as you can see, price is moving in the descending channel. Let me please change our investment to $145 and open sell position in the continuation of the current drop, because just imagine the trend line, descending trend line. We have touched it 3 times. All of them were unsuccessful. Now it was the 3rd time when we tried to break through the trend line, but unfortunately we have just made the false breakthrough, and then price got back below the trend line. So now we're going down with more power than we had previously, and price is going to hit the bottom line of the Donchian Channel. So that's why our entry point is absolutely safe. We just need to wait for several seconds until the time runs out, and we will get our profit from this trade. So almost done. And yep, that's it. We have $376 on the account right now. This is a good start, to be honest, because if you remember at the very beginning we had something like $150. Now we have 2 times more. Euro GBP currency pair. As you can see, price was moving in the upgoing channel. We have hit the strong level of resistance. We started receiving the pullback reaction. After this, we had a consolidation. Price failed to go lower, and now we are trying to make the second hit at the resistance line zone. So that's why let's try to open buy position. We have already opened it, investing our $145. As I explained you, first attempt to break through the resistance line zone was unsuccessful. Price started receiving the pullback reaction. We have shown the short-term downgoing correction, which was stopped by the support line zone. Sellers failed to break through it, and now we are going to make the second hit at the resistance line zone, which stopped the price at the first attempt. Now we're highly likely to break through it, but anyway, let's watch. Let's watch and observe what will happen. Well, as you can see, one more profitable trade we have right now, $509 on the account. Now we are ready to proceed with the next currency pair. And while we are doing this, don't forget to open description to this video, because here you will find amazing, cool and splendid link for my private teaching, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials and much more that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now, be with me and get your cash today. Link in the description. Okay guys, so while I was talking, we have already opened one more sell position on the AUD chart. This trade, to be honest, is very simple, because we are moving in a sharp descending channel without any upgoing correction. So we have a huge pressure from the sellers, no buyers on the market at all right now. All we need is just sell, sell and sell these assets until at least we break through the first moving average. But for now, price is under two moving averages, what is saying us that we're in a strong sell zone. Okay, this was one more profitable trade. We say we have $693 on the account. This is something like consolidation. Let's open buy position, because as you can see now, we were staying on the bottom line of this consolidation channel, of this flat channel. We were staying on the bottom line. Now price is receiving the pullback correction from the bottom line, and we start growing towards the upper edge of this flat channel. All we need right now is to break through the moving average of the Donchian Channel. As you can see, we have almost done this. If we succeed to do this finally, then we have no obstacles to move higher towards the upper edge of the flat channel. Quite a risky trade, to be honest, because price is just not moving at all. We're just staying on the same place. But anyway, it was successful, because finally price time ran out when we were above our entry point. Let me check out the CHF. One more flat channel, no exact direction, no trend, but we're staying on the bottom line of the flat channel. Let's change our investment to $350, and let's try to open buy position. So this is the same scenario that we had in the previous trade. So the same flat channel, same, we're staying at the bottom line of the flat channel. From this point, we're highly likely to receive the pullback reaction. Price will start growing. So that's why, of course, we will thrive on this situation. We will open, but we have already opened buy position, investing our $350. And now all we need is just to observe what will happen. I'm sure everything will be fine. So that's it. At least we need to wait around 20 seconds until the time runs out for the last trade for today. Almost done. Yep, so finally we did it. We have $1,200 on the account, and we had at the very beginning around 150, 120. Now we have 10 times more. My friends, if you wanna make 10 times more on your deposit just within 8 minutes, is absolutely possible. All you need is just right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will find all the answers for trading success. So I wish you a wonderful, amazing, successful and profitable day. See you all, and bye bye.